Hi guys, I'm makeup artist Nambo here with bareMinerals and my gorgeous model Greta. Today I'm going to demonstrate an office holiday party look for you. I'm starting with Bareskin Concealer in Fair. What's really unique about this concealer is not only does it cover well, it makes a gorgeous eyeshadow base and it just melts into the skin like butter. I'm using the Bounce Blur Eyeshadow Palette in Dawn, and I'm starting on the lid. And you see when you look up close, it has a little bit of like a twinkly shimmer to it. I'm using the shade Pink Cloud, and when you want more high impact on your eyeshadow, you want to use more of like a dense pressing motion. And when you want it to be like a little bit more airy and blended, then I'm a little bit more fluid with my motion and I kind of grace the eyelids like so. Now I'm gonna move in with my blender brush with the color called Misty Morning, and it's so gorgeous. It's almost like a shimmering mauve. Now I'm gonna go in with this color called Hazy Taupe. So I have a little trick for a pick-me-upper for the eye. I'm gonna take the concealer that I use as your eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna kind of give you a little bit of an eye lift. Now I'm going to use the Lash Domination liquid eyeliner in black. And what I love about this is the brush is like razor sharp, so it's going to give you that really clean, precise line. So now I'm going to use the Love Every Lash Mascara, and it's able to get really close to the root of the lashes. So what I'm doing is I'm saturating the eyelashes top and bottom. This is a highlighter, but I'm gonna use it almost as a highlighter slash blush. So people always ask me like, where do I apply blush? When you smile and you pinch your cheek, this is the apple of your cheek, and that's exactly where I wanna apply it. I'm using the Blooming Blush Brush, and it's really nice because it's slanted at an angle. You see automatically it gives you that really beautiful glow. Now I'm going to conceal underneath your eyes, and again, I'm using the Bareskin concealer. So I like to kind of start in the corner and make it a little bit more dense, and then I buff it out. It really gets in there really nicely. I'm going to use the Gen Nude blush in That Peach though, and I'm starting in the apple of the cheek, right on top of that highlighter color, and I'm working my way up. And I just love the way this looks because it looks like there's light coming from within your skin, and it's just so healthy and pretty. Now I'm gonna do the Endless Summer Bronzer in Faux Tan. Make a little fishy face for me. I'm gonna go corner of the mouth, back to the ear. This is the most hollow part of the face, and that's where I wanna hit the contour. You could relax now. I'm using very light fluid motions, and I'm kind of going in here. You see I'm creating a shadow and contouring your cheeks. So I'm just gonna follow your natural jawline and give it a little bit of shading. So now I'm gonna use BarePRO Longwear Lipstick, and what I really like about this is that obviously it stays on for a really long time, but this color makes a beautiful stain. And what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bit of my finger and I'm just pressing it into the lip. So Greta, you look gorgeous. It's like everything is seamless, it's fresh, it's very office appropriate, but you're gonna go to a party after the office hour, right? Okay, so let's add a little bit of sugar and spice and take this to the next level. Now I'm using Endless Glow highlighter, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna highlight your nose down the center. And I also love highlighting at the Cupid's bow right here. I'm gonna go in the highs of your cheekbone and just pop that cheekbone even more. Now I want to give you a little bit more of like a winged cat eye. So we're adding more drama and we're elongating this eyeliner. I'm going to finish off with this Mineral Veil powder. I only put powder in the hot spots, and you'll see that I'm actually using a diffuse highlighter brush because it's smaller. Ta-da, ta-da! We have your holiday office party look. You look gorgeous, Greta.